How to create a Facebook business page. So if you want to create a Facebook business page, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from here, you need to scroll down, go with pages. Under pages, you will have a create option on the upper left. Tap on create. And from create, you can go with your goals, but you can also skip this part. Now you can go with your profile or page. So you can go with your personal profile or a public page. So select any option that you're comfortable with. I'll go with a personal profile and then go with next. After that, you can use your Instagram profile info if you want to, or you can also skip this part. And if you want to add your Instagram profile info, select it and then go with continue. And all of your name, photos has been imported from your Instagram, and then tap on create profile, which is on the bottom, and your new profile will be created. Just wait for a few seconds and that's it. It will say switch to your page. You can just add some suggested friends, go with next, and you can join more groups if you want to. And that's it, your page has been created. You can go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from here, you can just simply go with your settings and privacy and edit more things on your page. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.